Hey everyone, so lately my hair has been really dry. My styles have not been coming out right, and I've been really frustrated with it to the point that I just want to cut all my hair off and start all over again. But then I remembered that I haven't done a bentonite clay treatment in so long, and I forgot how well it works with my hair. So for this treatment, you'll need half a cup of bentonite clay and about 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to start off with. So pour all of that into a bowl and start mixing it together. If you're happy with this consistency, then stop here. If not, keep adding more apple cider vinegar. So I went ahead and added some more apple cider vinegar, and for me this is perfect. This is the consistency that I like to work with. It's nice and light, it's easy to apply to the hair, and a little bit goes a long way. So now I'm putting my hair into 4 manageable sections. You can do 1 section or you can do more. It's completely up to you. And I'm just securing my hair with butterfly clips. So I'm going to be working with this back section right here, and I'm going to apply some warm water using a spray bottle. So I'm not making my hair soaking wet, I'm just making it damp and just making it a little bit easier to work with. So once the water is sprayed onto my hair, I just go ahead and kind of just rub it in. Make sure to work it into all the strands. And again, you don't want your hair to be soaking wet for this. So once my hair is coated, I will go ahead and split that section into 2 and begin applying the bentonite clay. If you feel the section is a little bit too dry, then add a little bit more water and work it in. Apply the bentonite clay from your roots to your ends and really work it in. So far this is what my hair is looking like. So now moving on to the front section, doing the same thing, spraying some warm water onto my hair. And the reason why I'm using warm water is because I have low porosity hair and my hair, it is very stubborn. Warm water helps my hair to receive moisture. Once that section is wet, I just go ahead and follow up with adding my bentonite clay, smoothing it all the way through my hair. Splitting my hair open to make sure that everywhere is nice and covered, and anywhere that is missing bentonite clay, of course I go in and add more. So just a heads up, when you apply bentonite clay to your hair does become a little bit stiff and tangled, so you want to be very careful when you're doing this. So for me personally, I like to use my bentonite clay as a shampoo. So instead of using a shampoo on this day, I just use my bentonite clay and then followed up with deep conditioner. Others like to use this as their shampoo and as their deep conditioner. So they pretty much just do a bentonite clay and then they're done. They just follow up with moisturizing and sealing and styling. After you applied your treatment, you can see how your hair feels once it's rinsed out. If your hair feels like it needs more moisture, then go ahead and follow up with deep conditioning or using a regular conditioner. So now my hair is completely covered in the bentonite clay, and I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to hop in the shower and rinse it out. So my hair has been completely rinsed and I also followed up with deep conditioning. So this is what my hair looks like after using the bentonite clay and deep conditioning. Lately my hair hasn't been able to receive moisture from deep conditioning, and it was really frustrating because I love to deep condition my hair, but for some reason it just wasn't working for me. But after using the bentonite clay, my hair was able to open up and allow moisture in. My hair was so soft after doing the bentonite clay. It was easy to manage, easy to detangle. My curls were really defined, and because of that I decided to do a wash and go. So if you feel that your products are not working for your hair, you moisturize, you deep condition, you steam, you do everything and nothing seems to be getting moisture into your hair, try doing a bentonite clay treatment on your hair and see if that works for you.